Holy, this is the most amount of snow I've ever seen in Tillsonburg. I didn't even know it snowed down here. Oh, we got the mule running. Guys, unboxing. What do we got? Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Ooh, look at all the toys. We got a couple Outlanders here. Let's check the sheets. 2026 Outlander Max XTP and an Outlander Max Limited. So we got a nice dusty navy and mineral gray orange crush. A little melted snow on the top. Let's open these things up, see what's inside. If anyone needs a salter, apparently you can put them on Defenders. Look at this Mav R. I think it's time to get rid of the X3 and get an R. What do you guys think? I like these things now. I didn't like them when they first came out, but I like them. They look mean. What a beast this thing is. Woo! Pop the top. What do we got? Oh, I see some orange. Looks like we got a touch screen under there. All the fun stuff. What's under the tarp? I like how squatted these things come. I think we should just leave one once and just do a drag race test on the road with it squatted down that far. There's the straps in there. You gotta cut those red ones. So these are both touchscreen now. Both Maxes, both 1000 Rs. Looking good. Is there much work to build the electric ones? Are they pretty much?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Just a few parts and pieces. Have you ridden one?
Yeah, we have one as a
Shop demo there. Pretty fun?
Yeah, that's pretty neat. Definitely. It's a little weird to get used to because there's no sound.
Yeah, very quiet. All you hear is the tires, I guess.
And like the reverse and stuff, it's like...
Oh yeah, you just hit a button. It'd be hard to find the charger on the trail though.
Yeah. I don't think they have a very long battery.
Are they like 80 or 100K? I feel like I need 2 hands for this. Be good for hunting though.
Yeah.
They wouldn't hear you coming. People are ready to start ATVing now. They're probably done with sledding. Let's see how high this thing pops up. Jam it in there.
Plastic out here first.
Pop. Pop. That was good timing. Couple tools under here. You got your air gauge if you need to boost your battery. Nice and clean, and your cell phone storage. Pop. Pop. There, now they look a little more normalish.
Big buggy.
Yeah, these Maverick Maxes. That's normal size, but how much longer is the Max? Couple more feet.
Yeah, I don't know like that because all I know is it was like 15 inches longer than I think
Oh, okay. Check these toys again over here. This guy's ready to go hit the trails. Got a nice Renegade XRS here. Couple Sea-Doos ready for the summer. Looks like a new track right there. All freshies. Doesn't this just make you want to hit the water? This is what I want to drive though. Ooh, I didn't even see this. We got a track kit on the old Defender. I should send this to Taylor, get them all fired up. Oh. And they finally have screens in here. Oh, it's got that new car smell. Heavy. There. Fire this thing up. Oh, we got heat and AC. We got speakers. Turn signals. This thing's the whole cat's meow. Does this pop down? There you go. Couple cup holders, cell phone holder, whatever you gotta do. Look at that screen. Woohoo! Very nice. Everything. Are these hooks new? I feel like these are new.
On those bumpers, they came like that.
Yeah, I was gonna say the winch goes there, but the winch is, she's built right in there. So also these have the Smart-Shox. I guess this is the first year for them?
Yeah.
And the touchscreen?
Yeah. Yeah, I believe so.
So that's the big upgrade with these bad boys. Smart-Shox and touchscreen, which I'm sure you can adjust everything on here. There's your little microphone, got Siri going. Ask Google. We'll get her all figured out once it's going. There's your shock reservoirs. Definitely come a long way from the old Outlanders. I think we had a Outlander 400 Max back in the day. And if you got...
What was the one? It was a 330, right?
330. Tiny. I remember if you got two guys on it going up a hill, you could wheelie it. Now these things, you just start them and they wheelie. Oh, absolute beasts these things are. Lots of room for activities in there. Fire this thing up. Got that new car smell. Will she start first kick? Oh yeah. Look at that screen. Wow. Can you switch through there at all? See all the different modes here? All the different stuff. So quiet too. Quick little update on these things. It's a nice blank screen. And we're good to go.
It's not
Bit of oil in the old girl. and we're gonna hit some snowbanks, do some wheelies. And just like that, we got a couple freshy Outlanders. What do you guys want to see next? We've had suggestions of doing Sea-Doos. I want to do a Defender, maybe some sleds. Let us know in the comments, because we're not actually sure. We just kind of do whatever shows up, right? Anyways, have yourself a fantastic day, and we'll see you guys later.